Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is Hansel and Gretel. Dear students, this is the story of two children, Hansel and Gretel. Dear students, in the previous class I have explained this story in detail and we have also completed the learning words given in the chapter at the page number 70. Dear students, in the previous class I had also given the homework to write and learn the word meaning of the chapter number 8. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter that you have to write in your notebook. Okay students, so just open your notebook and start writing. Dear students, the questions are given at the page number 70 of your Open Skies book. So just see here. Dear students, you will write the question from your book. I will write the answer on the board and you will write the answer from the board. Okay. So first of all, you write the question, answer the following question. Then after question number A, who lives in the small cottage? You write the question and I will write the answer here. And from here, you will write the answer in your notebook. Okay, students, just see the question number first. Who lives in the small cottage? In the small, dear students, while teaching you this story, I have told you that in the small cottage there were a woodcutter who used to live with his two children, Hansel and Gretel. And Hansel and Gretel had also a stepmother. Okay, students. So this is the answer. You write it. I'm going to write the answer here, and you will also write in your notebook. After completing the question, you will write the answer. This is the answer number A. Just see students, what is the question? Who lives in the small cottage? A very poor, add on the answer. A very, sorry, I have written here poor, but you will write here a very poor. A very poor woodcutter just say students, a very poor woodcutter lived in the teeny cottage or small cottage. In the small cottage. Cottage means, student, I have told you cottage means hut. H-U-T. Okay, just see. A very poor woodcutter lived in the small cottage. Okay, student, this is the answer of question number A. Okay. So just write down this answer. A very poor woodcutter lived in the small cottage. This is the answer of question number A. And after completing it, you will write the answer question number B. Just write down the question number B. What is question number B, students? Just see. What do they see in the forest? What do they see in the forest? Just see. What do they see in the forest? The students, in the forest, Hansel and Gretel saw a strange cottage that is made of chocolates. Okay, so just see the answer. After writing the question, you will write the answer. Just write down, the students. They saw a strange cottage. They saw a strange cottage. They saw a strange cottage in the middle of the forest. In the middle of the forest. Okay, student, this is the answer. You see, they saw a strange cottage in the middle of the forest. This is the answer of question number B. Okay, students, so just write down this answer. They saw a strange cottage in the middle of the forest. This is the answer number B. And after completing it, you will write the question next, question number C. Dear students, what is question number C? You can see in your book. Where do Hansel and Gretel get lost? Where do Hansel and Gretel get lost? Dear students, in the forest, when his father was going to live in the mid of the forest, and on the way, Gretel were dropping some breadcrumbs so that she could return back home. But the birds of the forest had eaten up all the breadcrumbs. So, in the returning time, they did not know the way how to go at home. In this way, they truly get lost. Okay, students, this is the answer. But you will write the answer here. Yes, students, I am going to write the answer here. Answer number C. You write the question first from your book. Then after you will write the answer. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel got lost when they could not see the breadcrumbs when they could not see the breadcrumbs to find their way back to their home. Okay, just see, students. Hansel and Gretel get lost when they could not see the breadcrumbs to find their way back to their home. Okay, students, so this is the answer of the question number C. You write it. The C answer. Hansel and Gretel got lost when they could not see the breadcrumbs to find their way back to their home. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number C. You write it. And after completing this answer, you will write the question number D from your book. Just say, students, what is your question number D? Whom does the witch try to eat first? Whom does the witch try to eat first? Yes, students, in the first, Hansel tried to eat the witch tried to eat the Hansel first. Okay, so this is the answer, but you write the question first, question number D. Then after you will write the answer. Whom does the witch try to eat first? Okay, students, I'm going to erase it. I hope that you all have completed. Okay, students, just write down the question number D. I'm going to write the answer. Just see, the witch tried to eat. The witch tried to eat. Just see, the witch tried to eat Hansel first. Hansel. Hansel first. Okay, students, this is the answer. That is very short answer. You write it. Witch tried to eat Hansel first. Okay, after completing this answer, you will write the question number E. Just see, students, what is question number E? What happens to the witch? At the end, what happened to the witch? She died because Gretel pushed her in the oven, in the hot oven, so that she could burn. She burnt. Just write down the answer, students. First of all, you will write the question number E from your book, and after that you will write the answer from the board. What happens to the witch? The students, just write down when the witch tried to check when the witch tried to check if the oven is hot, Gretel pushed her inside and shut the oven door oven door. Okay, students, the witch thus was killed at last. Okay, students, just see the answer. When the witch tried to check if the oven is hot, Gretel pushed her inside and shut the oven door, and witch thus was killed at last. In this way, the witch died. Okay, so this is the answer of question number E. You will write it in your notebook, and after completing it, open your book. We will discuss the exercises given at the page number 70 and 71. Okay, students, we will discuss the true, false, filling the blanks, and multiple choice question given at the page number 70 and 71. Okay, students, I hope that you all have written. Those who did not write, they may take the screenshot so that they could write later. Okay, come to the next exercise number 2. Students, I am going to erase it. I hope that maximum number of students have completed. Now come to the next question, true, false. The students, some sentences are given in this exercise, and you have to tell that the given sentences are true or false according to the story. Okay, so just see, students, question number 2, that is true, false. Just see, students, it is written here, if the following sentences are true or false. You have to state that the given sentences are true or false according to the story Hansel and Gretel. Just say, students, Hansel and Gretel were brother and sister. Yes, both are brother and sister. So you will write in the given box. Sorry, this is the answer number A. Exercise number 2 and answer number A. Okay, that is what? That is true. Hansel and Gretel were brother and sister. So that is true. Okay, students, in the given box you will fill the word true. Question number B. Just see, students, what is question number B? The breadcrumbs were eaten up by the witch. No, the breadcrumbs were eaten up by the birds of the forest. Okay, so that is false. You will write it false in the given box. Okay, come to the next question. Question number C. The strange cottage was made of chocolate. Yes, the strange cottage that was in the middle of the forest, it was made of chocolate. So that is true. Okay, students, you will write it. You will write in the box true. The witch locked up Hansel in the cage. Yes, the witch locked the Hansel in the cage, but she did not lock the Gretel in the cage because she wanted to do some. She wanted to complete some work with the help of Gretel. Okay, so here the sentence is given: the witch locked up Hansel in the cage. That is true. Okay, students, just write down the answer number D is true. You will write it in the given box. Come to the next question. Question number E. Hansel and Gretel had a mean stepmother. Yes. Dear student, that is true. Hansel and Gretel had a stepmother. Mean stepmother, that is true. Okay, students. So this is all about the true false exercise number 2, in which you have to tell the true or false. Just say, students, question number A is true, question number B is false, question number C is true, question number D is true, and question number E is also true. Okay, students, so you complete it, you will fill it with the help of pencil in your book only. Okay, no need to write in the notebook. Okay, students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number 2. Now we will discuss the exercise number 3, that is filling the blanks. That is filling the blanks. You have to fill. Dear students, here it is given: complete the sentences with the words from the lesson. Dear students, sentences are given, but in the mid of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, there are some words that is left. Okay, that you have to fill. Just see, students, what is given here. First question: the birds of the forest had eaten up the breadcrumbs. Dear students, in the first blank, in the question number A, you will fill the word breadcrumbs. BREADCRUMBS. Breadcrumbs means pieces of bread. Okay, breadcrumbs. Come to the next question, question number B. Just see, students, what is question number B? The two children, blank is given here. The two children ... the woodcutter when they saw him in the forest. Just say, students, you will fill here hugged. HUGGED. Okay, what would be the correct sentence now? The two children hugged the woodcutter when they saw him in the forest. Okay, so you, in the second blank, in the question number B, you will fill the word hugged. Come to the next question, question number C. Yes, friends, just see the question number C. They stayed some more days and ate the pieces of chocolate. Okay, students, so you will fill the word chocolate. Pieces of chocolate cottage, you can write. Pieces of chocolate. Chocolate cottage. COTTAGE. Okay, just see question number C. In the question number C, you will fill the word chocolate cottage. Okay, come to the next question, question number D. What is question number D, students? One day the witch was tired of waiting. Dear students, you will fill the word waiting. WAITING. Okay, you will fill the word waiting. Come to the next question. Question number E. What is given here? When the witch went to touch the fingers, Hansel held out the chicken bones. Yes, students, you will fill the word chicken. CHICKEN. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 3, exercise number 3. In the first question, in the question number A, you will fill the word breadcrumbs. In the question number B, you will fill the word hugged. In the question number C, you will fill the word chocolate cottage. In the question number D, you will fill the word waiting. In the question number E, you will fill the word chicken. Okay, students. So in this way, you have also completed the exercise number 3rd, that is filling the blanks. Now we will discuss the exercise number 4, that is multiple choice questions. Dear students, in this question there are 4 options given. You have to select only one and you have to tick in the front of given option. Okay, students, that is the correct or most appropriate according to the story. Okay, I hope that you all are understanding the things. If you do not understand the thing, you can ask on WhatsApp. Yes, students, put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. Dear students, their sentences are given, that is incomplete. You have to complete the sentences choosing the option given below. Okay, just see. What is the first question? The poor woodcutter lived in a ... in the forest alone. Lived in a house. Options are given: house, little hut, teeny cottage, big houses. Dear students, teeny cottage. You will fill the option number, question number A, option number 3rd, that is teeny cottage is the correct option. You will tick on the option number C. Okay, option number 3rd, that is teeny cottage is the correct option. Okay, come to the next question, question number B. Just see, students, Hansel and Gretel had a stepmother who, options are given, who did not like them, did not love their, did not care their, did not feed their. Who did not like them? Yes, students, did not like them. The option number first is the correct option. Did not like them. Okay, just see, students, did not like them. Did not like them. That is the correct option. That is option number first. You will tick on that. Come to the next question. Question number C. Yes, students, just see the question number C. What is given here? When their father left them in the forest, they wanted to flee from there, stay there, get something to eat, go back home. Dear students, option number 4 is the correct. Dear students, option number 4 is the correct. They wanted to go back home. Go back home. Okay, that is the correct option. You will tick on that. Come to the next question, question number D. Just see, the house of the witch was made of, it is written here, butter, cake, chocolate, honey. Dear students, option number 3rd is the correct. That is, the house, the cottage was made of chocolate. Okay, students, just write down chocolate. You will tick on that. Just see. Option number 3 is the correct option. Come to the last question. The old woman said to the Hansel and Gretel that they should listen to her always, not miss their home, remember her words, not be afraid. Dear students, not be afraid. The old woman said, the witch said that not to be afraid. There is no need to be afraid. Okay. So option number 4 is the correct option. Option number 4 is the correct option. Not be afraid. Not be afraid. You will tick on that. Just see, students. In the question number first, in the question number 4A, you will tick on the option number 3rd, that is teeny cottage. That is the correct option. And come question number B, option number first, did not like them. That is the correct option. You will tick on that. In the question number C, option number 4, go back home is the correct option. You will tick on that. Come question number D, option number 3rd, that is chocolate is the correct option. You will tick on that. And question number E, option number 4, not be afraid is the correct option. You will tick on that. Okay, students. So in this way, today we have completed the question answer, true, false, filling the blanks, and multiple choice question given in the chapter number 8, Hansel and Gretel. In this way, we have completed everything of this chapter. Okay students, so that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss some new thing. That's all. Thank you.